Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is kind of like a random video, but it's not too random because if you haven't seen it, I created a video for my ABC series for the letter H, and that look just went down the drain. I was trying to do a look inspired by these little stickers of ladybugs from Michaels, and needless to say, the look just did not come out how I pictured it in my brain. So as I was doing the look, it started to look very, I guess like strawberry-like. So I decided to take the eyes, which I absolutely loved from this look, and pair them with a brand new face and kind of just redo the whole face. But I wanted to kind of separate those videos for you guys because the whole point of my ABC series is to create something and challenge myself and kind of see what we come up with. And then I figured, why not make them separate videos, because they're kind of different. Before we jump into it, you guys, the eye look right here, everything on the top of the eye, including the brows, is in that tutorial, so I will link that down below. Everything else, if you want to see how I got this look kind of as a whole, the face, the lips, how I did the little strawberry freckles, and obviously the green shadow underneath, kind of how I brought this look together, then just keep on watching and I hope you guys like it. Mwah. Alright, hopping into this one. As I mentioned, you guys, you can check out the eye tutorial for this look in my ABC series H video. It seems complicated, but it's pretty simple. I'm going to move on to the face and use some primers. I'm using a Tarte primer and then a Tatcha, the Silk Canvas primer, to fill in any pores and smooth out my skin. Then I'm jumping over to this Maybelline foundation and I'm just gonna blend that all over my face with a stippling brush. And then I went in with a beauty blender and I just blended it out a bit. Once I blended out the foundation, I'm going to use the Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer underneath my eyes and just in all the highlight areas of my face. And then I'm going to blend that out with just a beauty sponge. And this is how our look is coming together. I really can't believe I messed up the original look so bad, you guys, that I had to create another one. I just felt so bad. I'm going to use the Pretty Vulgar powder to set everything, and then I'm going to use the Milani bronzer to bronze up my face. I did try to use a little bit more drugstore stuff in this video for you as well, and of course, as I say that, we use a high-end blush. I'm using the Jouer Bouquet blush palette, and then I'm spraying my face, setting everything with the Pure illuminating setting spray, and then I am just highlighting all over my whole entire face with this beautiful Wet n Wild highlighter. I then added it into the inner corners, and then we're moving on to the shadows under the eyes. I used two palettes. I really was looking for like a specific green, and I couldn't really find that specific green, so I wanted to mix this Patrick Star shade from the MAC collection, and then also from the Life's a Festival palette, I used that lighter shimmery green. So I'm just going to blend those underneath the eye to give it kind of like a strawberry look. And once I've done that, I'm going to use this Lancome eyeliner, and I'm just going to place that in the waterline to make it really pop. And then I went on to like the freckles. So strawberries, if you look at strawberry seeds, they're kind of like teardrop shaped. So what I did was I took three different eyeliners. I took the Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner, the NYX vinyl eyeliner, and then this yellow eyeliner from Dior, and I just did little straight lines all next to each other to kind of mimic those seeds, and I just did them as like freckles. Cute, right? And then of course I didn't get parts of the lip products on camera, but I used a Kokie lip liner, a Alexa Persico Cosmetics lipstick, and then a Charlotte Tilbury gloss on top. And that completes this look. As I mentioned, if you guys want the entire look, make sure to go check out the eye makeup in my other video. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I hope you enjoyed this little remake of this sad look right here. Make sure to stay tuned for a brand new skincare Sunday inspired by strawberry skincare. It's either already up or it's going up really, really soon after you guys see this look right here. I did some research and I just really looked for every single skincare item, part of the routine, and all of them have strawberry as an ingredient. I thought that was really cute. So I've been kind of on a strawberry kick, clearly. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look and I hope you got inspired by it. Hopefully we can do more looks inspired by fruit. That's all I have for today. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen. Click the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything, and check out all of my other videos right here, including my ABC series and skincare videos. Love you guys. Talk to you really soon. Bye.